Hi, in this series, I will be exploring 25 formulas in Excel sheet. So we'll be starting with the concatenate or concat. Concat is the latest version like Office 365 and latest versions are using that. So in the older version, it is named as concatenate. So I will be using the older formula so it can be compatible across all the formats. So let's start with the concatenate. Basically, it is used to merge two or more uh, strings. So let's start concatenate. So it is asking for text one, and we will be referring to the A1, A2 column, and then it should be merging B2 and C2. So you can append as many as you can. So you can see here it has merged three strings. So if you want to add the space in between, you should be doing double semicolon in between, and space in between, and it should be fine. So you can see there is space and three columns are merged together. So if you click on left, right bottom column, double click there, you should be getting concatenation across all these rows.